In this video, we will show you how to make your customers aware of your cash discount program, which can help increase sales and improve customer loyalty. First, explain the benefits of the program to your customers. Let them know that they can receive a discount if they pay in cash, which can help them save money and avoid credit card fees. Make sure your staff is trained to promote the cash discount program. They can inform customers at checkout about the program and how it works. When displaying prices, make sure to highlight the discounted cash price next to the regular price. This will catch customers' attention and encourage them to pay in cash to save money. Finally, create promotional materials to advertise your cash discount program. This can include posters, flyers, or social media posts. Make sure to highlight the benefits of the program and the discounts customers can receive. By following these tips, you can effectively make your customers aware of your cash discount program and encourage them to take advantage of the savings. Thank you for watching.